All right. One-time mistake, and I could have ended the life of a cow. And that's when I realized small things sometimes have the largest impact. Hello, my name is Cory Barcus, and for my internship, I worked at the lab at Toll Dairy Authority. And while working there, I learned how monotonous preparing for an experiment can be. For example, we were filling vials that contained notches taken from the ears of cows. And as small as they were, these vials were incredibly important to the cow's owners. Because if the test turned out positive, if the cow's owner didn't have the resources, it would have to kill it. And you would think it would have to be very standardized, and that's right. But because it's so standardized, if I made one small mistake, such as not filling the vial with enough solution, the test could be false positive. And that would mean the death of a cow. And for some dairies, this isn't too big of a problem. They have thousands upon thousands of cows. But for others, they're family owned. They only have 5 cows. Killing one of them could be devastating. Now, this seems like more of a lab problem. But think about your life. How many mistakes or even small decisions have you made that have had serious consequences in your life? Now I'm going to expand that even further. Think about how much humans are emitting right now. That's because there's 7 billion of us. And this means that we think that sometimes, even I think, leaving a light on or forgetting to turn off a light, not too serious. But multiply that by millions upon millions. And now it seems like a much larger problem, doesn't it? This is why all our decisions and all our mistakes, no matter how small, are very important. And I've been talking about the negatives this entire time, but there's positives. If we control our decisions and remember to turn off the light, that will save plenty of emissions. Especially if everyone in this room, even as small as the school is, everyone in this room, if we just did that, billions of tons of CO2 would be avoided. Now, this is why every single decision, no matter how small, matters. And we only have one chance to make them, so let's make that count.